Hi there. I've been asked to do this short overview video of my journey in the development of the IBS audio program, from its early beginnings to the present day. It's a big ask, for the journey has been long and anything but straight. Much like that of most IBS sufferers, the journey had its frustrations, its challenges and its setbacks. But like many of the users of the IBS audio program, I got there in the end. Since its release in the late 1990s, the IBS audio program has helped hundreds of thousands of people, making their journey easier, smoothing the way so they were in a better place emotionally, to recognise there were other choices that could be made, and that the future could be better. Like the IBS sufferer, I had to commit to doing something different, and I did. From the early years of research, development and patient piloting, to developing the first audio recordings on audio tape, which for many viewers will seem alien to them in this now digital age. In those early days, hypnotherapy was not as well understood as it is today. The days of serious research using hypnosis were just beginning. It all seemed new, and to me, really exciting. Over time, GPs and gastroenterologists began to hear of my success with their IBS patients and started referring their patients to me. I was providing another avenue of treatment for their patients, because I know after all my years of working with the medical profession, those I have spoken to feel helpless, wanting something to help, and frustrated when it comes to the IBS condition. Especially those who have looked into the benefits of hypnosis with IBS patients. Private in-house clinical trials with a 3-year patient follow-up have shown an average 90% improvement. Independent patient feedback for over a decade further validates clinical trial results, with many users reporting that they have virtually walked away from their IBS symptoms. In randomized trial comparisons, program efficacy was closely comparable to face-to-face sessions with a highly experienced program author. As the years moved on, I received many requests for more information on my services. Many people wanted to help, but few followed through. I migrated the IBS audio program into a CD set and eventually to MP3 downloads. It was all new to me, the technology, the increasing research, and yet, looking back, it was about trusting myself and taking the time to get it right, to structure things in the right way. The IBS sufferer who uses the IBS program has to trust themselves on their new journey. They have to take the time too and follow the structure of the program. For some, it may seem odd that just listening could help where drugs, treatments and other therapies haven't, and yet it does. The power and authority is within you. As years passed, my work was mentioned in books and newspaper articles. I even got an invitation from the Queen. One thing I decided to do was to privately fund my work and development, so I remained independent. Many people said I couldn't make a difference. Many people walked away after seeing the task ahead. But my research and the despair I saw in patients in my practice drove me on, and in 2013, the tide began to change, by accident or fate, whichever way you choose to see it. I met the founder of a group of professional, philanthropic IT specialists. They loved my work. They saw its value to IBS sufferers, and they saw the passion I had and the journey I had taken and the results I had achieved. not only in my medical centre-based practice, but in real-life situations, with sufferers meeting life's challenges, as well as the challenges of the IBS condition. In fact, one of the team had a family member who had perhaps the most difficult case of IBS I have worked with in a long time. And yet with time, progress was made. When everything else had been tried, I developed a partnership with these specialists. They use cutting-edge technology. They used their skills in healthcare, e-learning and publishing systems design to embrace the proven methods of the IBS audio program. And around it they wrapped new technology, new delivery, reporting platforms and methods. And from it was created the SoundsLikeIBS app and software as a service solution. And yet calling it an app undersells it. It is now a patent pending treatment for IBS that is FDA compliant, HIPAA compliant, and FIPS 140.2 compliant, and a government G-Cloud approved supplier. So in short, that's the story. The development and the evolution of the IBS audio program into the SoundsLikeIBS patent pending treatment for IBS. With ease of use in the privacy of your own home, at a time to suit you, at a price which is almost unbelievably low. Why would you delay? Start your journey today, right now. Take back control of your life.